Hi, this is Rich Bartolowitz. I want to make this video just to run through the steps of creating a class in GradPoint version 2 and also pointing out a problem some people have when looking for a class. So let's get started here. I'm logged in as a teacher, trying to make my view look as much like yours as possible. And I am going to manage courses, and I'll click the Create button. And from here, recall that we're always going to copy a shared course. And when I start typing a course name, let's say I'm going to do an English class. If I type English, it starts pulling up the different versions of English classes. Now recall that we always want to choose an M version of the class. So you'll see here that we have the M's. If for some reason you don't see that M, type more of the name. I'm going to try to get lucky here and see if I can find one that the M versions don't show up. Maybe they've changed things so M versions are showing up first. But all these different classes, they should have the M. And if they don't, keep typing the name. So you might have to type, Earth, space, science, or add the M in there. We're going to use prescriptive versions. We're doing this for credit recovery, so we'll use prescriptive. And you should be able to, you want to make a derivative child copy. Don't make a static copy. And give it the title. It's actually not a bad idea just to throw your name at it or throw summer school after it. Now, a difference from previous year summer school, we don't have summer school specific versions of the class. In the past, we've changed this HS to SS. This year, we're going to do it a little bit differently, and I'll explain how that changes grading in another document. Term doesn't matter too much, but you could put summer. Your role in the course administrators, good, course teachers, okay. Course teacher, author. You might not have all those choices because you don't have necessarily the same privileges I do. Start and end date, it's fine to leave that end date a year out. That's fine. I would say don't set the end date for the end of summer school because that will close the class. Students will not be able to access it, and oftentimes summer school teachers make deals with students that they can keep working on a class and they'll look at it in the fall. That's up to you. We'll talk more about that as well, but give yourself some room here. If you do change the end date, make it something like August 30th to give that student the maximum chance of getting finished. And then you can click Create. And there you'll have a class. And the reason it's nice to add some things to the name, it makes it a lot easier when the administrator or myself is looking at your school's GradPoint account to find a class. It's a lot easier if you can pinpoint it down to, oh yeah, that was summer school. And it'd be nice to even pinpoint it a little more and make it SS 2021. That way it makes that class stand out from the others. Anyway, hope that helps and shows how to create a class for summer school, or really for any time in GradPoint.